Ever wondered how to make Italian bread at home with just 3 ingredients? Today, we will show you how, using nothing more than flour, water, and yeast. Each of these ingredients plays a crucial role in the creation of a perfect loaf. And while some might opt to add a pinch of salt for flavor, traditionally, Italian bread is made without it, letting the simple, hearty flavors shine through. With these simple ingredients, you're already on your way to making a delicious loaf of Italian bread. The first step in making Italian bread is activating the yeast. To do this, we'll combine warm water with the yeast in a small bowl. After a gentle stir, we'll let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. You'll know the yeast is ready when the mixture becomes frothy. Now, let's move on to mixing the dough. Pour the activated yeast mixture into a large bowl containing your flour. If you're adding salt, this is the time to do it. Then, using a wooden spoon, or even your hands, mix everything together until it forms a shaggy dough. But we're not done yet. The magic of bread making truly happens during the kneading process. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This step is crucial in developing the gluten, which gives the bread its characteristic texture. Once you have your dough, it's time for the first rise. Now that your dough is prepared, it's time for it to rise and shape into a loaf. Start by placing your kneaded dough into a clean, lightly greased bowl. Cover this with a kitchen towel or plastic wrap and let it sit in a warm, draft-free place. You'll want to leave it be for about 1 to 2 hours, or until it has doubled in size. Once it has risen, it's time for a gentle deflation. Press down on it and then shape it into a loaf by tucking the edges underneath to create a smooth surface. This shaped loaf then goes onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Cover it with a kitchen towel and let it rise for another 30 to 45 minutes. While your dough is enjoying its second rise, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. When the dough has risen for the second time, lightly score the top with a sharp knife or razor blade. This is then baked in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's done when it turns a beautiful golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped at the bottom. Once baked, let your bread cool before slicing and enjoy. There you have it, a simple and delicious Italian bread recipe made with just 3 ingredients. With a few steps, you've created a beautiful loaf of rustic Italian bread. We hope you'll try this out. Thank you for watching, and remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.